Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get an Excel password. First, try common or default passwords if you've forgotten yours. Many users accidentally leave simple passwords or use easily guessable combinations. Always check if the file was protected with a blank password, which sometimes happens. We'll cover a few straightforward techniques to help you unlock your spreadsheets quickly and efficiently. This guide focuses on practical, accessible solutions for common scenarios. When simpler methods fail, third-party software can be a powerful solution. Many reputable tools are designed specifically to recover or remove Excel passwords. These programs often employ brute force or dictionary attacks, systematically trying combinations until the correct password is found. Always choose a trusted tool to ensure data security and avoid potential malware. Some tools even offer a free trial to test their effectiveness before purchasing. For sheet protection, a quick VBA code snippet can often do the trick. This method is effective for removing passwords from individual worksheets, allowing you to edit their content. Simply open the VBA editor, insert a new module, and paste the specific code. Running this macro will instantly unprotect your sheet. Remember, this technique works for sheet protection, not for opening an entire password-protected workbook. Online password recovery services offer another avenue, especially for complex passwords. You upload your file, and they attempt to decrypt it, usually for a small fee. Always ensure you use a secure and reputable service to protect your data privacy. Before trying any method, always create a backup of your Excel file to prevent data loss. This ensures you have an original copy if something goes wrong. Remember to check the description for links to these services and other great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.